We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Approximately 900 square feet. For example, the recommended size of the elementary school classroom in the United States is approximately 900 square feet. If state policy allows 20 students per teacher, then with social distance as a guide, we expect to find a 1,029 square feet per classroom, a deficit of 129 square feet by current standards.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.